Hello guys, my name is Anders. I'm 19 years old. I am new to the YouTube scene, so let's have fun. Um, I will be making gaming videos of me repairing my car, modding my car, uh, tuning my car if it comes so far. Um, and yeah, I really like playing video games and car games and shooters, all that. So I'm gonna try to do my best to entertain you guys, because I like to entertain people. So let's do that. Right, yeah. Today we are going to, yeah, build a car. Our own little drift car. And this is my Logitech G920 or g920. Yeah, g920. Logitech for Xbox One and the PC. And yeah, I'm playing on the Xbox One today. I'm playing Forza Motorsport 6, and we were going to buy a car. Uh, yeah, I have thought of maybe a Chevrolet, because it's awesome cars they're making, and I got one in mind. Got this one in mind. I think it's going to be something awesome. Uh, yeah, and I'm new to all this wheel setup. I used to do it with the controller that I got right here. Not that good at using the wheel yet. Hope I will be soon enough. Um, like really soon, but you can only learn that fast. And I have to make a lot of mistakes in this game before I learn it. I just want to learn it. Come on. Ooh, that's awesome. That's not that much. I think we are going for not the shield one. I will go with the battlefield. No, no. Bumblebee. This looks awesome. Just for shits and giggles. Yeah, I'm 19 years old. I'm a Danish guy. Born and raised in Denmark so far. Live with my sister and her two
This is your
child kids.
2015
Yeah,
Chevrolet Camaro Z28.
yeah, I know. And we have just witnessed a really big loss in our family. My sister's boyfriend died in a car accident last year in October, so that sucks, and that's why I've moved into my sister's place to help her with her and her kids. Cause yeah, they're having a really hard time. Uh, it's a tough thing to go through, and that asshole to my sister's boyfriend was also one of my best friends actually, and just dying. Why? He's an asshole for doing that. Even though yeah, sometimes fate just go and rip things apart. So yeah, that's how it is. I don't really have a specific way of tuning my car. Of course, my tunes look a lot like each other, but there will always be that one thing with every car, because every car is different, as you know yourself. I know you're not stupid. I was just making a point. Yeah. Jesus. It got the racing, the racing springs. It didn't got that, but the racing brakes it got and all that. It's a crazy car. And yeah, as you will see in yeah, when I'm done with upgrading this car, I like that one a lot better, cause it gives another feeling like it have found the best stiffness of the car instead of buying a full roll cage. Cause yeah, then you can fuck it up all yourself. But when you buy that stiffenings, yeah, when you buy sport chassis, it's like it's done it itself. So I think I might gonna put too many horses in this little beast. But again, I also love horsepower. Oh shit, that was awesome. 700. I'm gonna wreck this car in 2 seconds. I'll bet you that. Yeah, now I upgraded it, and we are going to the test track, because I have watched a bit of Slap Train, yeah, and he found a really good line in the test track, and I had the most success drifting with the wheel in that line, so I'm gonna do that and show that, so I don't look like I'm total loser at drifting with the wheel. But first, my e-cig, my vapor, IPV Mini with a Kanga Pro Mini tank. With a modded coil, it works. It works perfect. So now, oh, listen to this beast of machine. Shit, it really likes to grip and straight line it all. But of course it's American. That's all they all do. Oh fuck, yeah. Proof that I'm really bad at this with the wheel. I'm in the learning phase. God damn it. Yeah. And my hands and arms are going to look really retarded in a moment, because I haven't figured out how to do it. Not slow, but yeah. Oh god. Shit. This is really weird to get loose. Yeah. It wants to do donuts, but not drifting. Or it's just me that can't do it. Oh shit. I think it's me. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to do something about it. Always good to do that. Why? I don't know. Actually, I don't know. But I just like doing it. Sounds really stupid, but That's how it is. 95. If you get it to 100, you probably spin out. 95. 95. That's good. Yeah. Didn't got anything to say there. Nope. You can feel it. Come on, Bumblebee. Yeah, doing donuts. I think Bumblebee like donuts. When you hear the humming, you know I'm coming. Oh, there was the humming. Oh, straightening up. Don't like that. Oh yeah, and guys, I have tried to make my own handbrake, modded handbrake, but it doesn't seem to work. I don't know, but I have taken my wheel completely apart. I have had the motherboard out and I have tried it. Oh, Jesus Christ, come on. Not all those donuts. Yeah, I've tried to wire some wires up, but it doesn't seem to work. So, as of it is right now, I'm using my left pedal, foot pedal, my clutch as a handbrake. But I really missed that clutch to give it a clutch kick. It's actually pretty good at drifting, this car, as far as I can feel, and I'm not even good at drifting with the wheel yet, but it feels somewhat nice. What? Shit, I just got invited to a party. I'll be looking into that later when I'm done recording. Oh shit. Oh yeah, and guys, I don't got a DVR, but I will get one soon. But as of it is right now, I'm using a little action camera I have. It looks like a GoPro, but it isn't. It is actually a Denver. What kind? I can't remember, but it's a Denver, and it works pretty good. But of course it's not as high quality as a GoPro at all. It's maybe gonna compare with the first GoPro or something like that. But not the newer ones. The newer GoPros are awesome. Whoa. Yeah, taking a little fantasy line here. Around here, and then full throttle out the corner. I don't know where I'm going. The car is driving me, I think. Oh, yeah. Shit. Third gear. Oh, yeah. Making this way here. Oh. A wall. God damn it. Making some small donuts around this airplane. Nope, I wasn't. The idea was it there, but the plane didn't go as I thought. Yeah, that was a little donut. And guys, as of what I've done so far to learn how to drift, don't pull up, don't release the speeder at any point, because if you do that, you're straighten up. But just release it a little bit from the throttle, and then you can give it some more gas if you are straightening up and all that. Look at that. That was beautiful. And then we are going to do it around this Eiffel Tower, I will call it. You, sir, are the Eiffel Tower. Jesus, I like this car. Oh, yeah. Let's do a drift in the air. Come on, Jesus. That wasn't what I planned. God dang it. Oh, that was a little glitch, I think. Okay, one thing I find really funny is the Americans sometimes. Oh gosh, dang it! Why? It sounds so childish. And yes, I know. Oh, I don't know, but I would think it was because of the kids that you wouldn't curse in front of them. But Jesus, and just don't say something like that. Here in Denmark, kids in the schools and the kindergartens, when they start after the first day, they already know, like, fuck you, you turd, you shit, something like that. And it just keeps progressing to get worse, and even more worse than just worse. And I really know, because my nephew, he's 4 years old. He is in the kindergarten, and when he's getting mad, he's really, oh, you wiener, you little turd wiener, wiener. That's it. But like, give them a break. They will learn it at any time, in their lifetime. Of course they will learn it. They just have to know, don't say that kind of things, but don't hide it from them. Don't say they can't say it, because if they're saying it, whatever, and it's children, it can only be cute, unless it's really weird. Then it's not cute, of course. I like this car. I'm going to try something. Also something I saw from Slap Train. Yeah, if Slap Train wrote to me someday, if I want to record with him, I'm gonna really flip out like a fanboy. That Canadian fellow is great. Oh, parallel parking. Yeah. I passed that with an A. A plus, sir. Oh, my arms are like a retard. Oh. I'm not following the line. Let me try that. Thank you. Oh yeah, I really like the second gear in this car. Really, that's... Jesus Christ, it's beautiful. It feels so great. It feels like I can drift somehow. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, wall, yeah. In here. And then it was supposed to be sliding, drifting here. Come on. Handbrake. Through here. Come on. Yeah. No. I fucked up again. Yeah. You didn't see that. Come on, come on, come on. And that, guys, that was it for today. I will be trying to make a daily video. I got some Forza Motorsport, I got Assassin's Creed, I got Battlefield. I can't remember what number, I think it's 4. And what more do I got? FIFA, if you want me to play FIFA, I can do that also. And I will find a game DVR soon. Yeah. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Even if it's bad, just comment. And yeah, if you got some tips for me on something with the setup to record and all that, or with me drifting something, I would be happy to if you wrote it in the comments. So thank you, and this was Anders at AA Gaming. Bye.